لو نفسك تشتغل في كول سنتر مع شركات عالمية وتقبض بالدولار أو اليورو وانت في مصر، تحب تتعلم الإنجليزي مباشرة من مدربين أجانب عندهم خبرة حقيقية في شغل الكول سنتر؟ الكورس ده هيدي صوتك القوة والثقة، تخليك جاهز لأي مكالمة، تكسب ثقة العملاء وتبدأ شغلك الدولي فوراً.
Hello and welcome to Ask for British Center. Are you ready to start a new career in customer service? Or maybe you're looking to level up your skills? We can help you become a customer service pro with or without any career experience. Our training is designed to give you the skills you need and to be great candidates. We'll show you how to handle difficult calls with confidence, build professional relationships with customers, and solve problems quickly and effectively. What you'll learn and practice. You'll practice English conversation to improve your fluency and confidence over the phone. You'll learn soft skills to handle customer problems with patience and a positive attitude. You'll master essential skills like active listening, empathy, and problem solving. Computer skills will teach you the basic computer skills you need to be efficient and effective. Interview skills. This course includes practice interviews, CV advice, and tips how to present yourself as the best applicant. Our training course prepares you to work with confidence in any English-speaking customer service role. Sign up now and become the customer service agent that every company wants to hire only at Asser British Council.